Hello and welcome to Rapyd Bytes. Today we're going to go over Payout with FX. Rapyd is an API first company, and here in Rapyd Bytes we'll show you how to work with the API to accept, hold, and disperse funds in various countries using local payment methods. Thanks again for watching. We are going to create a payout using FX first in the Postman API collection. That we have the Rapyd API collection, and then also in Client Portal. So this means making a payout means sending funds or paying out to a beneficiary contact from the sender. And the sender can be designated as a business or an individual, as well as the beneficiary. And so I'm here on the Payout with FX use case guide, and it'll just walk you through the workflow of what it looks like to request as a payout is requested and then sent through Rapyd and confirmed and then paid out to a beneficiary. I also set up webhooks for them to, when they do go through, and I set them up here in my client portal. Actually, I will update it right here. I'll show you how to do that to update it, and you'll just put them in here. Here's just a webhook test site that I have, as well as everything marked. And I'm gonna move forward now to just this disperse payment methods page. Here we have just a high level overview, basically payment categories of the payment methods, and you can use, of course, the call. I can link the video below, list payout methods, payout method types by country and currency as well. And so here I'm going to move forward to the payout page and the API reference. We're going to create a payout, and specifically right here, payout with FX, rate confirmation required. So this is a simulation relating to the confirm automatically. It's just going to simulate this payout and show the currency exchange for the payout. Be sure to join our community at rapyd.community.net. We've got a lot going on, and really cool bug bounty program going on right now if you are interested in testing our API and platforms. So now I'm going to head over to Postman. I'm using the Rapyd Postman collection. Downloaded it off of Docs. And I'm going to head over now to payout with FX right here. Rate confirmation required. Basically, again, this is confirmed automatically will be false because it'll just be a simulation with the payout amount. And so we see here it comes from this e-wallet. Payout amount is 100. We can increase it to 1,000. See if we have enough funds for that. There we go. And then here is the payout method type. It looks like it's Capital Bank Mexican pesos. And then the sender currency and country will actually be in USD, whereas this will end up as, again, Mexican pesos in Mexico. We'll have the beneficiary information here. Again, this is just test information working in Sandbox. Here's a test description as well. So we're going to go ahead and send that and see it go through. And so here it was a success. Again, this is just a simulation, but we do see the amount as well. And yeah, the FX rate here is added to the amount. You can also test the currency exchange rate with the daily rate API call, the daily rate request, and I can post that in the link below as well if you want to follow that. Here's another example that uses a bank in Great Britain, and it's going from Singapore to, although this request says Great Britain Hong Kong dollar, this is sender is Singapore, and then the beneficiary is British pounds in Great Britain as well. Again, this is as well as here. Let me change that to match up for the town for the beneficiary, because the beneficiary country should match up here. And then I'm going to go ahead and send that. And again, amount was just 10, and then adding the exchange FX rate here as well. And so that ended up as 1707 here with the exchange rate. And so let's see if we can head over to Client Portal and actually test these payments. And so I'm going to create a payout. Test these payouts. And so you can actually check FX rates here. So if I'm going to from Singapore dollar and British pounds, again, here's that 0.585. If I go over, here is the exchange rate 0.585, and of course it continues, and so 1515, and now I'm going to create a payout here. The source of funds will just come from this wallet, and let's go to, actually I can add it in here. Well, we'll use this wallet right now. I think this is an end user wallet. Yeah. There it is. But, just to be safe, let's have it all come from the client portal where we do have funds. Well, you know what? We can test it still. Let's do it. Because I think this is sourced. And you can also check wallet balance. So you know what? Let's do that. Retrieve wallet balances. Okay, this is well funded. Yep. All right, we're ready to go. And so the first one, let's see, it's due from USD to Mexican pesos. 1,000 MXN, and then bank transfer to Mexico, and then sender. We can create a new sender here. Please excuse me. This is just test information. All right. And then create also a new beneficiary. You can also pull up excuse me, you can pull up, that's both wrong, there we go. Pull up the beneficiary and sender. Clabe is actually shorter, right? All right, let's go until, you know what? There we go. All right, so now we created our sender, created our beneficiary. Now we're gonna click next. You can send basically any address, email address, or to it would be the beneficiary. So I'm going to send myself an email notification. I can confirm the payments, submit. It looks like it sent successfully. And now we have a webhook here, payout created, beneficiary created. And yeah, it looks like that went through. And what I can do is actually look at more detail here of the transaction. I can even change the status to complete here and confirm that. And so actually now it's completed as that has gone through. I can recreate it and there's many controls here. And so I'm going to go and create the next payout. And that was Singapore dollar to basically, and so I'm going to recreate the next payout, and that was Singapore dollar, I believe, to Great British pounds, or yeah, there we go. And so end user wallet to wallet ID. Let go to Singapore, United Kingdom. Let's do 1,000 for this again. We have enough, or 10,000. And let's see, currency. Oh, we can actually go this one, and then that will be received in there. Okay. And then we'll click next. Bank transfer to the UK. Sender, again, we'll create a new sender. Just designate who they are. We can fill this out. Of course, this would be necessary to fill out, but again, we're working in Sandbox. Create a test beneficiary. Account number. Sort code. All right, we'll confirm. We'll click next. And again, you can fill out the email, notify the beneficiary of this, confirm the payment details above, and then it went out successfully. And so again, here it's created, it's going through. We can also change the status, cancel, reject, or complete. I just like complete. And again, the payout has been created and completed there, as well as the beneficiary is created. So awesome. We see now those. I can even retrieve the payouts or the beneficiary. Let me go back to that. And so here we see the successful payout information. There's the amount in British pounds, the sender amount, and yeah, and so we see this completed payment. Again, if you have any questions, you can comment below and open up a topic as well at community.rapyd.net. We just walked through how to set up a simulation using Postman and then walking it through in the client portal, just scrolling back and forth. And then we just grabbed it again to retrieve the payout in Postman using the API. So thanks again for watching. Have a great day.